Artists, if you're tired of your paints and mixed colors just drying out in minutes, this little box right here is the solution every painter has been waiting for. I'm talking days of fresh paint with no misting, no wasting, and no remixing. Let me introduce you to the Sta-Wet palette from Masterson. The Sta-Wet Premier palette is basically a combination of an airtight container, a special sponge, and a unique palette paper. You soak and moisten the sponge, then you place it inside the container, then you add the special palette paper on top of the sponge. Then you place your acrylics or whatever water-based paints you want on top of that. And yeah, that's it. The moisture from the sponge actually travels up slowly through the paper, keeping your paints moist rather than letting them just skin over. When you're all done for the day, all you need to do is take your lid, lay it right on top, and push down, which will create an airtight seal on the container. This will keep your paint fresh and workable for days or even weeks, or if you do it right, you know what? It actually can keep them fresh and workable for months. So what's good about the Sta-Wet mixing palette? First, the big win is that it keeps your paints wet and alive. If you're working on a project over multiple hours or even multiple sessions, you don't have to remix everything or waste leftover paint. This is especially useful if you're mixing custom colors, which is a huge time saver. Also, no spray, no fuss. With a traditional dry palette, you might have to keep misting your paints or risk them skinning over. But with the Sta-Wet, it actually handles moisture automatically via that sponge and paper. And of course, you get ample mixing space. You get 12 inches by 16 inches, which is very generous and giving you enough room to work comfortably. Now they do make other sizes like 7 by 8.5 inch and 9 by 12 inch, which I'll put links down in the video description below. But honestly, I think you should go for the 12 by 16 as you'll want that extra mixing and storage space. The cool thing is you get these reusable surfaces. The special palette paper and the sponge are actually designed to be reused. So when you're done painting, all you need to do is just rinse and prepare them for the next time. Now, even if you don't have the special paper right here, or perhaps you just run out, this thing still works with other mixing palette pads or even wax paper. I've done it a bunch. But it does work better when you do use the special mixing palette paper. So if you need more, do you a favor and I'll put links down below so you can buy extra of these. Now, if you're an oil painter like me, you can still use the Sta-Wet mixing palette as an airtight mixing palette or storage container to keep your paints wet for weeks or even months. More on that later in the video. So is there anything bad about it? Well, honestly, no, but there are a few things that I do want to make you aware of. Because it relies on the sponge moisture, you need to make sure that the sponge stays damp, not soaked by the way, and not bone dry. That way you get the optimal performance out of it. So keep an eye on it as you keep it stored. Don't just wet it, store it, and forget about it. Now this thing really does shine when you use typical acrylics or any water-based paint. But if you use thin washes, inks, or very fluid paints for fine detail work, think miniatures or fine glazes, some people on Reddit have reported that the paper and sponge can actually make your paint too watery or soak up too aggressively. Now, if you're an oil painter like me, you can use this to keep your oil paints wet and workable for days, weeks, or even months if you do it correctly. All you have to do is just remove the sponge out of the container and watch this video in the top right corner on how to do it. Gotta love those shameless promotions. This thing dominates and keeps your paints wet, whether you're actively working or storing them for later. I used this palette when I taught over 108 students down in San Diego just a few months ago. And by the way, thank you to all those who attended. Not only did this thing keep my acrylic paints perfectly wet and workable for the full 2-hour class, but when I packed everything up and I took it home, the paints were still wet days later. Here's the crazy part. I left this palette sitting in my garage for more than 2 months, and when I finally opened it up, the paint inside was still somewhat wet. Absolutely insane and awesome. Now the big question, would I recommend this? Absolutely 100% yes. If you paint with acrylics or other water-based paints, especially if you often mix your own colors, revisit projects later, or hate wasting leftover paint, the Sta-Wet Premier palette is a fantastic convenience and a great tool to add to your painting studio. Or if you know what, if you travel while you paint or you take painting classes, this palette is awesome. The Sta-Wet Premier palette is generally on sale between $25 and $32. As always, I'll put links down in the video description below that take you to the cheapest spot where you can buy yours today. By the way, those links do help me out, so thank you very much. You know what? In short, the Masterson Sta-Wet Premier palette is a simple but powerful tool that can seriously streamline your painting workflow. Not only is it just gonna save you time, paint, and more importantly, frustration, if you paint regularly, or hell, don't paint consistently at all, you should give this thing a shot. For under 30 bucks, it could change your studio. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for more helpful videos to give you cool reviews on products that's going to help you with your painting creative journey, you can do me a favor, check out the videos over the side where you see more of my handsome face. And if you found this video helpful, you can go down below, use the links, smash that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and of course, give me a like. I'll see you all in the next one. And of course, take care. Peace. I think I actually nailed that outro. It's amazing what you can accomplish when you don't have a lot of coffee.